Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is ready for. Welcome to my show. Today we are going to talk about politics. Today I'm privileged to have my guest. You can introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Dex, and I'm humbled to be in your show today.
Okay, we are talking about the presidential campaign going on of our country. How do you rate it?
Right now, I can rate it at 50% because the ground is getting momentum. We are seeing political alignment, we are seeing coalition coming up, we are seeing politicians moving sides. So, I think starting from April, we are going to see some wonders in this political arena.
What about Kalonzo? If we talk about Kalonzo, would he stick in Asli?
Yeah, you know one thing, and this is not a stereotyping thing. You know, Kambas are loyal. So, and I know their trust wherever they put their trust. So, they are not wavering. But one thing, Kalonzo is seen like person who is indecisive. You see,
Yeah.
so he's trying to play hard to get, but ultimately, for him to stick with the Raila, that is a sure bet.
What about the Iron Lady,
Mm-hmm.
Martha Karua?
The Iron Lady, I was listening to her interview recently, and one thing I can assure you, between Azimio and between Kenya Kwanza, there is no better place for her. But she will go to a place where there are some few individuals who are trustable, and that definitely will be in Azimio.
I've seen that recently she has just declared that it will be fine for Kirinyaga gubernatorial seat.
Gubernatorial seat, yeah.
How do you see it?
No, for Mother Karua, she's more of a national leader than a county leader. So for me, in Kirinyaga, I think I'll go with the other lady, the women rep, the current women rep, Girishi, and the former CS, the incumbent now governor, the Minji Minji thing. Yeah.
Okay.
But for Mother Karua, no, she'll not even win that election.
What about this controversial politician, controversial businessman, Jimmy Wanjigi?
Jimmy Wanjigi is a comedian, I can say, so I don't take that person serious because I don't take that person. He has never been a politician, in the first place. So he's riding on the waves of his father, a former MP.
His father was a former MP.
Yes.
That was my show. Let's meet tomorrow at the same time at the same place. Thank you.